Joe Beermaster. We have a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This goes for multiple years and multiple models of Chrysler. I'm going to show you how to get that door handle in. We already did a video on how to take it out. You basically access this there's a little cap there you get off, and then you put a T20 hex head in there, unscrew it, pull this cap off, and slide the handle off. That is in another video. But the problem is now how to get the handle back in, because it will not go back in. And the first thing we're going to do is get a little hook. Well, let me show you this. We already did it, but right in here, this little white lever there has to be pulled out towards us. And once you pull it out, it'll click. And then you get the handle. That's called the service position. Sometimes it stays in that position. Sometimes it locks back in. And we're going to slide the handle in.
There's a slot in here, and it has to be in that slot. So you kind of.
That's important to get it in that slot, or this will not work.
And these pins have to be in that slot. So all of it has to line up.
Okay, now you slid it back a little bit, so everything's in alignment. Puts the cap back in.
And then there is a
tightens the T20 hex head, Torx head, whatever you want to call it.
And once it's driven forward enough, it will release the handle.
Once you tighten that up, bang. Now it works. Amazing. Joe Beermaster and Ron figuring it out. Thanks for watching.